change the battery on your G-Shock Moon-Tide watch, you'll need a small pair of tweezers, a small Phillips screwdriver, and a replacement 3-volt lithium 225 battery. This particular watch has flanges on either side of the back of the wristband need to come off because they prevent you from taking the back of the watch off. These screws are different from the screws that attach to the back, so you need to take these screws out, set those aside, one on each side of the wristband. Here we go. We're just going to put the... now we're ready to turn the watch over, and as you notice, the wristband gets in the way. I use a ruler and then clip this with a clip. And that gives me access to the back of my watch. And you want to do this with the, in the upright positions. You can see it says shock resistant. So we're going to now back the small screws out here. Like that. Take these screws out, keep them separate. Okay. Carefully take the back off the watch with a pair of and put that there. Now you'll notice plastic cover here, and you want to keep this cover oriented correctly. There's a little spot here where a spring comes through. So I'm just going to lift this out like this. I'm going to put it down in the position that I took it off. And now we're ready to put in the new battery. With the small tweezers, you want to release this battery cage right here. And just do that like that, and you notice that the battery pops up. Then you grab the battery with your tweezers and take that out. We're going to take the new battery and slip that in and lift the battery cage up a little bit, and just slide the battery in with a positive side up, and then click this battery cage back down into position, like that. The next thing that you need to do before putting the back on, here's the AC mark, and you want to go into that lower one right like that with your tweezers and just touch the frame and hold it for 2 seconds. And we'll turn that over now, and we see that the watch is now ready to be reset, so we're done with that. Now I'm going to put the plastic back on, and I want this to go over this hole here, to go over the little spring right there. There, the spring is through the hole. Make sure that you get this washer seated correctly so that the watch remains waterproof. Put the back on. Make sure that the flat part is down at the bottom. Make sure we use the fully threaded screws. One in each corner. Go ahead and tighten those down tight, but not too tight. Okay, and we'll do the final tightening, not too tight. Good. We're ready to begin a complete reset on our watch by pressing the adjust button, holding it. We start with the seconds. So we're all set. Let's check and make sure that the light works. And it does, so we're in good shape. I hope this was helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up, and press the bell next to the subscribe button and you'll get my future videos. Thanks for watching.